y'all would still take care of this.
Huh?
Police. Police.
Hello. Margaret?
Police.
Hey. Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get the gun! I mean the knife!
Oh, God.
Get on your belly!
On your belly!
Get on your belly!
Move!
Hey, don't fucking move.
Don't fucking move!
You got hands, you got hands, you got hands.
1947. Act for EMS. Shots fired.
Put your hands behind your back!
Get some units, please.
I'm gonna handcuff him, I'm gonna handcuff him. Man, why'd you do that, man? Man, why would you make us do that? Hey, go get your med kit, bro. 19G47. Oh, we need HFD ASAP. He has a bunch of bullet holes on his back.
Police. Police.
Hello.
Call the police.
Yeah, not gonna be.
Get on your belly!
On your belly!
Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Don't fucking move.
Move!
You got hands, you got hands, you got hands.
1947. Act for EMS. Shots fired.
Put your hands behind your back.
Send it. Get some units, please.
I'm gonna handcuff him, I'm gonna handcuff him. Man, why do that, man? Man, why would you make us do that?
Okay.
Hey, go get your med kit, bro. Hey. Wrap this one around. Stop rolling, man. Stop rolling.
Stop moving. Stop moving.
Stop moving, man.
Stop moving.
Help you out, man. Come on. We want to help you out, bro.
Trying to breathe. Trying to breathe.
Okay, get on the side. 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 Like that. There you go. Like that. Like that. Like that. It's coming.
Police. Police.
Hello. Mark here?
Police.
Hey. Whoa. Hey, grab it! Grab it! Grab it! Drop the f***ing knife! Drop the f***ing knife!
I'm the knife. Oh, God.
Shot fire in the G12.
Get on your belly.
On your belly!
Get on your belly.
Don't f***ing move! Wait.
Don't fucking move.
Don't f***ing move! You got hands, you got hands. You got hands.
1947. After EMS. Shots fired.
Put your hands behind your back.
Hey, Jimmy, you got any allergies or any medical problems at all? No? Okay, so you don't take blood thinners or anything like that? Where's that little here? It's up under here? Right under there?
Yeah.
Alright, I mean, no. Leave it on. Yeah, leave it there. Alright, is there anywhere else? I'm gonna take a look at you real quick, okay?
Are like Robert. Are like Robert. But he's on the side.
Okay, I got you. That's the only one, I guess?
See anymore? Yeah, I don't.
Do you feel it? Sit up for me. Go ahead, sit up.
Check him.
Clear. Just right here. Okay. Check this on the arm and once on the back.
All right, I got you.
Yeah, I'm good.